Welcome to the assessment section of our onboarding process. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the questionnaires available in your account. You will learn how to view and configure the various questionnaires, allowing you to fully understand the potential of the tools at your disposal. Within the assessment section, in the subsection, Your Questionnaires, you can find a list of all the preloaded questionnaires for your organization. These may include standard, pre-configured questionnaires selected from the assessment catalog, such as tests for recruitment, training, and development, or multifunctional tests. If you've chosen to create a custom questionnaire focused on your organization's values and key competencies, it can also be preloaded in this section. There is also a search bar that allows you to quickly find the most suitable questionnaire for the task at hand from the list. By clicking on the drop-down menu at the beginning of each questionnaire row, you can view all the detailed information regarding the assessed soft skills, the weight of each skill, a customizable data point, and any relevant macro areas. In each questionnaire row, additional useful information is provided, such as test description, viewable as a pop-up by hovering over the test title, date and time the test was added to the platform, total number of soft skills assessed, total number of items, that is, questions, total number of tests delivered, total number of reports generated, option to deliver the test via email by copying the free registration link, option to delete the test from the list of available questionnaires. From the same drop-down menu, you can select the type of report to generate, choosing between the default report for respondents or the HR report for human resources professionals. The second menu option allows you to enable the inspirational self-development path, Smart Coach, which is accessible within the respondent report. Here, you can choose the skills to focus on for self-development suggestions, selectable from the following options: strength, strength, growth, growth, strength, growth. Through the third drop-down menu option, you can select the benchmark to include in the HR report, choosing between two datasets: Eggup dataset, which includes all data collected on the platform; account dataset, which refers to the response data specific to the company profile. This option will only be available after accumulating a sufficient number of responses related to the skills analyzed in the corresponding questionnaire. Once the benchmark is activated, additional data will be accessible, such as the qualitative skills analysis included in the HR reports. The last drop-down menu option concerns the customization of detailed charts within both reports. You can choose from different options. With benchmark comparison, this option displays the respondent's characteristics compared to the previously selected benchmark data. With comparison to custom values, you can configure the chart using custom values based on the ideal type defined by company criteria. Without comparison, only the respondent. This option displays only the respondent's characteristics. Do not show the graph. Selecting this option will exclude the graph from both generated reports.